So now that our search form is working, it's time to display some messages here if obviously there aren't any records matching the searching criteria. So if you go back to our Dreamweaver, scroll down to the bottom of our table which displays the records. As you can see, we've got the condition at the beginning, if total rows is more than 0, and then we are closing the curly brace after that. So what we can do after this curly brace, we can type else, which means otherwise. We're going to do something else. And the first condition will be if is array queries and is an empty queries. Actually, we can remove completely this is array. We can just check if queries array isn't empty. And now if it isn't empty, which means if we submit it, if we press the search button, then obviously all the queries array won't be empty because it's going to collect all of these parameters through the URL. If it's not empty, then echo our message, and our message will be there are no records matching your searching criteria. And closing paragraph, double quote and semicolon. So that's the first message. But this is if the button has actually been pressed. So obviously if we've made some kind of selection and we've decided we want to see some records. But else, what if we came to the site and the database is empty? We simply didn't have any records in the database yet. Then obviously we're gonna see just a blank page. Then we also want to display some message. So echo, double quote, there are currently no records available. Dot, closing paragraph, double quote and semicolon. Now if we go back to our Firefox, refresh the page, you can see we've got the message. There are no records matching your searching criteria. If we deselect everything, obviously we're gonna get some records. If we type in something like black here and just hit enter, we have only one book which contains black word in it. If we want to check if it's available in Chichester, well, we can see it's not. Southampton, not either. Brighton, Portsmouth, Bournemouth. Well, we have one of those locations has this book. So obviously we can select as many as we want. But if we want to narrow this, we would select obviously the one we are really interested in. We can see that Bournemouth has it. If we check in London, we also have it in London. Again, we can search by author, Black by Darren Shan. There aren't any book by Darren Shan with black in it. Darren Shan has written Hell's Heroes, which we have. Any other category, art category, we haven't got any book written by Darren Shan in art category. So that's how it's working. And obviously, I'm sure you get a rough idea of how to use it. So I hope you enjoyed the whole series, and thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.